How to make 2024 the best year of your life.
Introduction. As we usher in the promising dawn of 2024, it's the perfect time to reflect on the past, set ambitious goals for the future, and craft a plan to make this year the best one yet. Embracing a proactive mindset, fostering personal growth, and prioritizing well-being are key elements to ensure a fulfilling and rewarding journey ahead. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to make 2024 a transformative and extraordinary year in your life. Set clear and inspiring goals. Define your aspirations for the year ahead. Whether they are related to career, personal development, relationships, or health, set clear and achievable goals. Break them down into smaller, manageable tasks to make progress more tangible. Create a strategic plan. Develop a realistic and actionable plan to achieve your goals. Consider the steps, resources, and timelines required for each objective. A well-thought-out plan serves as a roadmap, guiding you through the year with purpose and direction. Cultivate a positive mindset. Your mindset plays a pivotal role in shaping your experiences. Embrace positivity, cultivate gratitude, and learn from setbacks. A positive mindset not only enhances resilience but also attracts opportunities and fosters a sense of well-being.